There's one, there's one. I got him. Oh, I got that on camera, dude. There he is, got him. Oh, I got him. Let's go. Oh, that was sick. Oh, that's a good fish, dude. Oh my God, that's a big one. That's big. Dude, this is big. Oh my God. That's probably my biggest pike. There's a plug. Is there not a plug in there? There's a plug right there. In the bottom right of the boat. Oh, I see. No, there's no plug. There's no plug in there. Well, that's a problem. Huh. That's interesting. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video, and we are in a different sort of location today. Today we are in the beautiful state of Wisconsin. We are at my cousin Danny's lake house. There he is, right there, taking a nice little swim in the water, trying to get that boat ready, but we don't know where the plug is. So that's gonna be a problem. Here's the situation. So right now, my dad and my uncle are somewhere. Oh, you guys can't see them, but they're all the way over there. There's a cove over there. It's really good for pike, and I think they're whacking them right now. They're straight whacking them. So they hit us up. They're like, "Yo, we're killing them." They're like, set up the John boat and drive it over. So all four of us will go over there. Two of us will get in there, the bigger boat. Two of us will stay in the John boat, and then we'll just fish for pike. Rain might be coming in, but I don't have a rain jacket. But I got this little hat here. Hopefully that protects me enough. But so I think what I gotta do is I gotta rig up my rods, get some pike bait stuff. I don't know, some mep spinners, some spoons with twisty tails on the back. That's usually my go-to for pike. You guys know I'm not a big multi-species guy, but I do like catching pike. Catching pike is really fun, and it seems like they're whacking them so far, so we're gonna try to join them pretty soon. In the meantime, I wanted to film the intro, catch you guys up. If you guys are new here, hit that subscribe button down below. Thank you guys so much. We actually hit 10,000 subscribers a couple days ago. Not when you're watching this, but a couple days ago, real time, we hit 10,000 subscribers. Such a big milestone, so thank you so much. I'm not gonna keep you guys here any further. We're gonna rig up some baits. We're gonna hopefully find the plug, because without the plug, we're screwed. And we're gonna go catch some fish. Let's do it. Got a lot of weeds. So they're saying it worked as like top water almost, which is just shocking to me. There's one. Come on, let's go, let's go. We're on, baby, woohoo! Come on, stay on. Oh, he's peeling, baby, that's sick. He's peeling, I see him. Nice little pike. Oh, this is awesome, baby, I miss pike fishing. Wow. Look at that, dude, the pike fight's so hard. All right, I'll get him up here, hold on, we're good. Actually, no, we don't need a net. There we go, baby, first fish of the day. Not too shabby. First fish of the day. Been here for about a couple minutes. We're throwing these big spoons, and this is what, maybe like my third cast, Danny? Something like that. But let me get this out so I can show you guys. We're not gonna get a length on this one just because, only if it's crazy big. I guess we'll get a length. Why is this still stuck in there? But the guys over there were saying, work it like top water, work it fast. And this was right below the surface. Not a bad fish at all. Beautiful colors in these guys. And honestly, such an underrated fish to catch. I don't really fish for pike often. It's such a cool fish, man. They fight so hard, even if they're not big. So I guess we'll ease her down over here, Dan. You want to get a little closer, and we will we'll let this guy go. First one of the day for us. What a beautiful fish, dude. That's a small one. It fought so hard. The drag was going crazy. Boom. There she goes. Nice. Ah, let's go. I just saw one swipe at it. Oh, we just missed it again. Danny, look at this. Oh, no, he missed it. Oh, no. At the boat? Oh, let's go. Hold on, Dan. Hold on. Was it right next to the boat? Yeah, dude. Did you see him hit it? Yeah. All right, bring him in this side. Oh, let him fight. You just got him. He's got a lot of energy. That's a nice one too, bro. Oh, it's so electric. Oh, geez, hold on. Don't reel to the tip, all right?
Don't break.
Oh, nice pike. Look at this one. Here, grab him real quick. Danny, this one hit right next to the boat, dude. I saw it just go nuts.
Look,
and
right,
I did.
just by the gills?
Yeah, go underneath right here and pinch under there, all right?
Yeah, go put it back.
Just put it back?
Yeah.
All right, we'll try holding the next one.
Worry.
Not a bad fish though.
Don't worry.
Such a cool fish. We're gonna get Danny to hold a bigger one though. There she goes. Boom. Let's go. There's one. I got him. Oh yeah, baby. This one actually doesn't feel that big though. Oh, that's sick though. You see him? He's actually small. I got him. That's so cool, man. This is so sick. I mean, like, this pike isn't even big, guys, and he slammed it. Now, this is like my 5th bite of the day. I've been really missing my hook sets here. Just a little guy. I don't need a big camera for this one, Dan. Thank you, though. All right, there it is. Little guy right here. We'll just pop her right out. No pictures needed. Actually, I'll get a close-up one of that, and then we'll put her back. But nonetheless, it's another fish for me. It's my second one, but they're all over the place, so it's not even close to over yet. Doubles? 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 Small? All right. All right. I'm gonna take a picture of this one. Hold on. Look at that. Look at Danny. It's like the exact same size fish. All right. Now slide your finger. What are you doing, Danny?
Catch.
The fish actually just hit me in the face. We really got to practice that. I know it's slippery, but you got to practice. There's one. There's one. Honestly, I don't know. I don't think so. Seems like another dink, but oh, he's tugging a little bit. That's so cool. Did you see him? Such a cool fish to catch, dude. Oh my gosh. Actually, that's not a bad one. No, I'll get him though. Look at that. Look at that. That's awesome, dude. Such a cool fish. Am I getting a phone call? I am, from a car dealership. Guys, if you want to pick them out of the water, you can grab them right behind the gills. You can get a good grip on them. And there's that one. That is awesome. I'm gonna turn my big camera for this one. But that's like our third fish. It comes right out. That thing was about to get off. This right here is that pike. I don't really want to get a measurement in this one because it's not nothing crazy big, you know. But what do you think? This is close to 30. Yeah, our first ones were definitely this size, and such a cool fish, dude. This is so cool. I mean, northern pike. You guys know I don't fish for them often, and I didn't think I was gonna film a video today because it's supposed to storm all day. But it seems like it's just in the area, and that's probably why these fish are going nuts right now. But such a cool fish. We're gonna take a picture and we're gonna put her back. We're gonna swim with her right here. She's gonna dart off any minute here. But again, sorry for the loud noise. Motors in. Oh my gosh, that was fast. All right, so that is fish number 3 for me. You know what it is, Danny? I bet it's the bucket hats.
It definitely is.
We're definitely. I mean, look at David has a fish right now, and he's wearing a bucket hat. Unbelievable. Bucket hats. That's the move today. So I'm gonna put this down. Not waste any more time. We're gonna catch some more fish. All right. Well, I guess we're gonna let it sit. And so. Oh! I got that on camera, dude. That was sick. Oh my gosh, that was cool. That was badass. Just turned because the motors died on those guys. I don't know what's going on. We might have motor problems here, but here. That's a good pike, baby. Oh,
damn.
Woo! Good fish, bro. Nice. Danny, biggest of the day? Maybe tied with your first one. Maybe we didn't. I don't know. But that blow up was sick. Yeah. That was so cool. That was awesome. I think I got it on the GoPro too. I think I was filming for that. I hope I was, but wow, that is a good fish. You might want to ease him in the water and let him swim off. He's sitting right there. That's a beautiful fish, dude. That's so cool. What a fish. Good fish, Dan. Good work. There's one. Stuck? You just swimming that way? This is awesome, dude. They were not kidding when they said this is like nonstop. Oh, I think he's stuck in the weeds. Oh, this might be pretty good if he's just yanking like that. That's my drag going out. That noise. Oh, I see him. Oh, that's a good fish, dude. Oh my God, that's a big one. That's big. Dude, this is big. Oh my God. No, Dan, I gotta grab him. That's not gonna get him. That's a big one. That's a big, dude, that's a big fish. That's a big fish. Why did I have to put the big one? Oh my God. That's probably my biggest pike. No, I'm not gonna need that. Oh, he's stuck in this grass. Oh, dude, it's big. This fish is no joke. He's stuck in all this grass right here, Danny. But I don't want to move him. I see him. I see his tail, but I don't want to pull, guys, because it's gonna yank it out. I want to hit him before. Oh my God, that's a big pike. Oh my. Get him in the boat. Get him in the freaking boat. Oh my God, that's a tank. Oh my God. Are you recording? I just picked him out of the water. Spoon down his throat. I'm starting to shake. This might. We gotta get a measurement. 38 and a half. It's not a trophy. All right. We're gonna put her back so she's bleeding. 38 and a half inch, I was in musky pike. My biggest pike ever. We're gonna swim with her for a while. She was out of the water and she was bleeding. My hook was no joke down her throat. We're gonna swim with her for a while. She's a big fish, man. This is a delicate fish. She's getting ready. Oh, there she goes. And I can see her swim off. So she's okay. I'm a mess right now. I'm slimy.
Oh, let's go. What did you do, bro? That's insane. It was 1.5 inches away from being a trophy. Crazy. Wow. Personal best pike. Huge shout out to Danny for filming for all that. I'm pretty sure it's pretty hectic. But you know, he's the man and he picked the camera for me so we can capture that moment. And that's my biggest pike ever. Right now, we're fishing like a foot of water and now we're like in the crap. But when the fish came close, dude, I saw it and it was so big and I was just staring at her in the weeds. But she was bleeding. My spoon was so far down her mouth. Wasn't in her gut, thank God. And I just had to swim with her for a little bit and then she kicked right off. So that was awesome. 38.5 inches. I'm so pissed it wasn't a trophy though. So close, so close. But we're gonna back paddle out of here because our motor sucks and it's like dead or something. And we're gonna try to catch some more pike, but let's go. That's so insane. But no. There he is, there he is, got him. That's sick, dude. He literally, I saw his wake behind it. You got that one too? Oh, yours came flying out. Jeez. Come on, baby. This one, I think I actually got this one by the face this time. I snagged another one on the stomach on accident. Camera was not rolling. Come in, baby. Just peel and drag, guys. This is such a cool, they just fight so hard. This is so cool. So cool. Nice one. Probably get a picture of this one if I can get him in here. I see him with my spoon in my mouth just peeling drag. How is he still peeling drag? I mean, I guess that's better than breaking off though. If I can ever get him in, maybe today, it'd be nice. All right, come on. Oh, that's so cool. He looks so cool. Oh yeah, oh, look at this one. He got hit by something, but not a bad fish at all. This one's thick, dude. I guess I'll get a measurement just to know. You got the tape measure? So it's roughly right there, 30-inch pike, guys. Let me show you. These are the ones we've been catching all day. And this is like my 4th fish of the day. Sorry the camera's shaking because the motor's still on, so the camera's rocking because everything's shaking in the boat. But nonetheless, beautiful, beautiful pike, man. I mean, oh, so cool. And I think we'll get a picture real quick. Here this guy goes. Probably the same size that first one I caught. Oh, he's ready to. Oh my gosh. I was still holding him by the gills and he started jumping. Oh my gosh. He just went for it and totally missed it. Oh, come on. If he comes over here, I'm gonna see him all the way. Dude, I saw him just smack the front of it. I'm gonna cast it back out there. Hold on. As I cast right into the grass. There you go. Come on, come back and hammer it. Oh. Oh, I got him. Let's go. Oh, that was sick. That was sick. Oh, he's not big at all. Oh my God, you see, oh my gosh. He's got a lot of fight in him though. That was sick. I saw him come back. I think that was the one I missed. I'm pulling him under some grass now. Oh man. So guys, right, yeah, so our motor kind of pissed out on us and I was trying to start it and it wasn't starting. So we're just kind of drifting back in this cove. But I mean, there's pike back here. As I'm stuck in the grass. Oh, I see him on the other side of it. Yeah, there it is. See, jeez. He's got so much fight to him, and that's why and I was telling Danny, that's why I'm not afraid of pike fish shallow water, like shallower than usual. This is like 1.5 feet, maybe. That's a nice fish though. He's got so much fight to him, and that was the one that blew up on it, missed it. I cast it back out, and he went for it. They'll definitely go for it if they miss it again, like they always do. I'm no pike expert, but they always go after it again. Oh, and there she is. Boom! Let's go, baby. That's a beast, bro. Talking about, that's what I'm talking about. Oh, guys. That's not what I'm talking about. That one's probably high 20s. Don't think it's getting 30 yet, but not a bad fish at all. I'm gonna take a little picture and put her back. What a beauty. There she goes. Bam! Well, guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. I'm actually doing the outro right now in my basement because I totally forgot about it. I was having too much fun. I totally forgot to do my outro when we got back to the house. I'm actually back at my real house, back here in Illinois, and I figured, you know, I'd do the outro while I'm editing. So thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I know the lighting's bad. I apologize about that. Really hope you guys did enjoy that. I mean, I had such a good time. I don't fish for other species that often, but pike is one of my favorite species to fish for, especially when they're smacking that spoon like crazy. Like, we were working that like above the weeds. It was 1 to 2 feet deep, and we were working that right above the weeds, and you would just see them kind of nowhere and just annihilate that thing. It was so cool. Had a great time, and I caught my biggest pike ever, and it was this close, literally this close to becoming a trophy, but it wasn't. Huge shout out to Danny for doing a lot of filming for me that day. I know it was pretty tough, but he's the man, so we got it done. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys did enjoy today's video, hit the thumbs up button down below, and if you're new here, hit the subscribe button as well, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.